Hello everyone. In the journey of completing Salesforce Developer Challenge, we have completed the first task in our previous video, which is create an Apex class and a quick start Apex. Now we will be completing the second challenge, which is add a method to the class. So just click on it. After clicking, we will be landing here. Copy the code and scroll down. Make sure to use the same org which we have used for the first task. Now click on the launch. After clicking the launch, we will be landing here. In the top right corner, there is a gear icon. Just click on it and go to the developer console. In the developer console, click on files, go to open, then double click older accounts utility and paste the code which we have copied. Just do Ctrl V, it will be pasted here, and save it. We'll go to file and save. We can see here saving is coming. After this is saved, it will be moved on. Okay, so now go to the page where we have launched our task and verify the step. We have successfully completed our second task. See you in the third task. Thank you.